Hello friends, I am Dilawar Singh and today we will be discussing about operations on matrices. So there are mainly three operations on matrices. First one is the addition, second one is the difference, the third one is multiplication. And this multiplication includes multiplication by a scalar and multiplication by another matrix. Okay, so first of all we will study about addition. So suppose there are two matrices A and B. Okay, let us see with an example. Let us matrix A is a 2 cross 2 matrix. We can take 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements. The most important thing here is to see that both the matrices should be of the same order. Okay, so these are the two matrices. If the order of the two matrices is not same, then that sum will not be defined. Okay, so we have taken two matrices. Now we will add A plus B will be equal to, simply add the corresponding elements. Okay, that means A11 with B11, A12 with B12, likewise. So 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 5. This is equal to 3, 5, 7 and 9. This is our resultant matrix and this will be of the same order 2 cross 2. Okay, now next we will study about the multiplication with a scalar. Okay, difference we will see later on because we will use scalar multiplication there. Okay, suppose there is a matrix A equals to Aij and there is a scalar k. Okay, this is a constant, anything. So ka will be equal to just simply k and aij, that is multiply k with all the elements of A. For example, a matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix and we take k equals 2. So 2A will be equal to 2 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4. That is equal to multiply 2 with all the elements. So 2 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 4. This is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. So this is the resultant. Okay, so now we will see the subtraction or difference of matrices. Okay, so to see the difference, first we will have to see the negative of a matrix. Okay, so how we will find the negative? Suppose there is a matrix A, then negative of A will be denoted as minus A. Okay, and what is minus A? Minus A is equal to minus 1 multiplied by A, where minus 1 is a constant, that is a scalar. Okay, minus 1 is a scalar, so we can find simply. Suppose A is 1, 2, 3, 4, then minus of A will be equal to minus 1 into A, that is equal to minus 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is negative of A. So now the difference, suppose there are two matrices A and B of the same order. They must be of the same order, that is m cross n. Okay, so negative of A and B, A minus B, will be equal to A plus minus 1 of B, because minus B means minus 1 into b, as we have studied in the negative of matrix. Okay, so we can write it like this, and we can find minus b and a simply. Take an example. Let a equal 1 1 2 2. Okay, and b is equal to 2 1 2 1. Okay, so a minus b will be equal to a plus minus 1 into b, and we can find 1 1 2 2 plus minus 1 into b. Okay, so this is equal to 1 1 2 2 plus minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, and this is equal to 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 0 0 and 1. Okay, so this is the difference